I was too bullish this year, so let's just be honest. The model kicked my butt as far as who was better. Who would you rather be following this year? And that is what I always say is like the model is just a synthesis of all the stuff I've ever put together in the oil market. So it should beat me because it doesn't have also the emotions I have. Because as much as I want to be cognizant of that and control my emotions, you get wedded to a view and it's really difficult to undo it. And one of the things in my operating system is that I do think the Russia-Ukraine war has changed the calculus out in the oil market. And so I'm leaning hard into being if you want to, do you want to be bullish or bearish right now? If you had to be one or the other, I'm constantly going bullish. I think it's the right time. I think we've slipped into a secular bull market. Look at the CapEx to cash flow charts for any of the E&P companies. We did an entire big report last year on the diversification benefits of having energy investments in a balanced portfolio. So I can come up with a lot of reasons why you want to try and trick yourself into being long if you have to do that from just a, lick your finger and stick it in the wind type of perspective. But the model doesn't do that. The model is just, it's hardcore. It only looks at the data. And so, there's been times I'd say, back in 2021, for a little bit, the model was neutral and I was bullish and I beat the model on that one. I think that was, there was some positioning stuff that was going on that confused the model a little bit. But for the most part, I would defer to the model. I tell clients that is like, I expect the model to beat me over the long term.